Hi everyone, Quadian here. Chemistry with Quadian, it's our channel for chemistry students from all over the world. We will teach you every day about all of chemistry theory lessons. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for daily lectures updates.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss our part 2 of the PPSC exam 2015. Our 26th MCQ is preparation of ice cream is based on the principle of exchange of solvent, peptidization, coagulation, excessive cooling. D option is correct here, that is excessive cooling is the principle of preparation of ice cream. 27th MCQ is random motion of colloidal particles in the dispersion medium is referred to as adsorption, coagulation, Brownian moment, Tinel effect. C option is correct here, that is Brownian moment is the random motion of colloidal particles in the dispersion medium. Coagulation is a process of colloidal particles merging into one another and make a bigger particle. And Tyndall effect is the scattering of a beam of light by a medium containing small suspended particles. For example, you can say that smoke or dust particle in a room which make visible light beam entering through a window is a Tyndall effect. 28th MCQ is in the hydrogenation of oils. The catalyst used is nickel, platinum, iron or copper. A option is correct here, that is nickel. Platinum and palladium are also used, but these two catalysts are very expensive. So on industrial scale, we use nickel. So A option is correct here. 29th MCQ is when dispersion medium is gas, the colloidal system is aerosol, alcohol, benzosol, hydrosol. A option is correct, that is aerosol. When the dispersion medium is gas. When our dispersion medium is alcohol, then the system will be called alcohol. When the dispersion medium is benzene, the colloidal system will call benzosol. And when the dispersion medium is water, then we call it hydrosol. You can say. 30th MCQ is the unit of equilibrium constant Kc for the reaction N2 plus 3H2 2NH3. The unit will here can be derived from the equilibrium expression, that is Kc. Kc is the concentration of product over concentration of reactant. Here the product is ammonia, its power will be 2 because in the equation the coefficient is 2. And these two are the reactants. And 3 is the power of H2 because in the equation there are 3 moles of hydrogen gas. So after writing the equilibrium expression and putting its units, you know that concentration is taken in mole per dm cube or mole per liter. You can solve this mole per liter square over concentration of nitrogen gas and the concentration of hydrogen gas with the 3 power. And when you solve it, your answer will come to liter square per mole square. MCQ 31 is the term active mass of a substance is used to denote the number of number A option grams per liter, molecules per liter, grams atom per liter, gram molecules per liter. D option is correct, that is gram molecules per liter. Next MCQ is for a reversible reaction to reach an equilibrium state. The reaction is said to be carried out in A. Glass vessel, B. Iron vessel, C. Open vessel, D. Closed vessel. D option is correct, that equilibrium reactions are carried out in closed vessel. 33 MCQ is according to Le-Chatelet principle. Adding heat to a solid and liquid in equilibrium will cause an amount of solid to decrease, amount of liquid to decrease, temperature to rise, temperature to fall. When we add heat, amount of solid will decrease. So A option is correct here. Next MCQ is the equation which describes the quantitative relationship between pressure and amount of a gas absorbed at constant temperature is called Freundlich equation, Langmuir equation, Bett equation, none of these. So B option is correct, Langmuir equation. It tells the quantitative relationship between pressure and quantity of a gas, you can say, at constant temperature. Bett equation is used to find out the surface area. 35 MCQ is Which of the following adsorption take place at low temperature? Physical adsorption, chemical absorption, sorption, desorption. Alpha option is correct here. That is, physical adsorption is the only adsorption that takes place at low temperature. Our next MCQ is, among the following reactions, the fastest one is burning of coal, conversion of monoclinic sulfur to rhombic sulfur, rusting of iron, precipitation of AgCl by mixing AgNO3 and NaCl solution. D option is correct here. Precipitation of AgCl when we mix the solution of silver nitrate into NaCl. White precipitates of AgCl are formed. This example is given in the first paragraph of the chapter 11 of first year in the example of fast reactions. 37th MCQ is, colloidal particles are positively charged, negatively charged, either positive or negative, or neutral. Colloidal particles are positive or negative both, so C option is correct here. 38th MCQ is, molecularity of a chemical reaction. A, always a whole number. B, cannot be less than 1. C, can have a fraction value. D, can be 0. A option is correct here, always a whole number. Molecularity is always a whole number. Or 39th MCQ is, which one of the following compounds is depleting the ozone umbrella? Chloroform, chlorofluorocarbon, bromomethane, none of these. B option is correct here, that is chlorofluorocarbons. These are the major compound that is depleting the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. 40th MCQ is, the term minus dx over dt in the rate expression tells. Number A option, change in concentration of reactant with time. B, instantaneous rate of reaction. C, average rate of reaction. D, none. D is the correct option here, instantaneous rate of reaction. Alpha option is also correct, that when we use the change in concentration of reactant, we use a negative sign, but the most closest option is instantaneous, so we choose B option here. But the A option is also correct. 41st MCQ is, the rate of a chemical reaction increase as the reaction proceeds, decrease as the reaction proceeds, both A and B remain constant as the reaction proceeds. B option is correct, decrease as the reaction proceeds. In the start of the reaction, the rate is very high. You see very steep slopes of the reactant and product. Reactants are very quickly converting into products. As the reaction proceeds, rate becomes slow until the lines in the graph become horizontal to time axis. So B option is correct here. That is, the rate of a chemical reaction decrease as the reaction proceeds. Our next MCQ is also an example, that is, inversion of cane sugar in aqueous solution to glucose and fructose is an example of flow reaction. So B option is correct here. Next MCQ is, point out the correct statement. Rate law is an experimental fact, whereas the law of mass action is a theoretical proposal. B option is, rate is always different from the expression of law of mass action. C, rate law is more informative than the law of mass action for the development of mechanism. D, order of the reaction is equal to sum of power of the concentration term in the rate law. So A option is correct here, that rate law is experimentally determined and the law of mass action is theoretical, that can be proposed from the chemical equation. 44th MCQ is, under a given set of experimental conditions, with the increase in the concentration of reactant, the rate of a chemical reaction. A option, increase. B, decrease. C, remain constant. D, first increase then decrease. A option is correct here, that with the increase in the concentration of reactant, the rate of a reaction increase. Rate is directly proportional to concentration of a reaction. 5th MCQ is, a catalyst increase the rate of a reaction by decreasing the activation energy, increasing activation energy, reacting with reactants, reacting with the products. A option is correct here, that a catalyst decrease the activation energy and increase the rate of a reaction. 46th MCQ is, mark the correct statement in case of a reversible reaction. Catalyst catalyze the forward reaction. Catalyst catalyzes the backward reaction. Catalyst catalyze the forward and backward reaction to the same extent. Catalyst increase the rate of forward reaction but decrease the rate of a backward reaction. So C option is correct here. That is, catalyst catalyze the forward and the backward reaction to the same extent. 47th MCQ is order of a reaction. A option can be written from the balanced chemical equation. B depends upon the stoichiometric coefficient of reactants and products. Can have a fraction value. C option. D is cannot be determined experimentally. So C option is correct here. Only that is order can be in fraction. It can be 2.5, 2.5, 1.5. Sorry. 48 MCQ is which of the following aqueous solution will conduct an electric current? Sugar, glycerol, pure water, HCl. So D option is here correct, that is HCl, because it ionizes. 49th MCQ is which element has the highest electrical conductivity? Silver, gold, copper, aluminium. You know that when we talk about electrical conductivity, coinage metals, that is copper, silver, gold, show a remarkable activity. And among these coinage metals, silver has the highest electrical conductivity. Then second is the copper, followed by the gold. So A option is correct here, that highest electrical conductivity is of silver. Our last MCQ is pure water does not conduct electricity because it is neutral, really decomposed. C option is always unionized. D is completely ionized. So C option is correct, that is almost unionized. Pure water is a bad conductor of electricity because it is not ionized. So next 25 MCQs will be uploaded soon, inshallah. If you like this lecture, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.